Good morning children. Correction in exercise 3.2 page number 96, the first one B. Already I explained you. Now we can see through the video since it was not clear there, and all those who didn't attend the online class, for all those let's listen. Let's start. Okay, here it is given dash minus 100 equal to 8965. So here already you learned that in subtraction to minus 100 I told you to since you are minusing 100 in hundreds place, I told you to minus 1 in hundreds place, but here answer is given, question is missing. Okay, so just opposite it is. Okay, so we will do the opposite. Instead of minusing, let's add 1 here. Okay, so 100, so you have to minus you have to add 1 to the hundreds place. So here the number in hundreds place is 9. So with 9, if you add 1, so plus 1, 9 plus 1 you will get 10. So you cannot write here 10, 2 digit you cannot write, so only 0 you will write here, and the 1 you will carry here, carry to the next digit on the left side. So now the left side digit is 1000, so 1000 place we have carried 1, so 8 plus 1 9. Okay, and this right side digits will remain the same, so the answer is 9065. Okay, so this is the answer. Some of you had made a mistake, so I am giving this one again. The second sum, it was given to find the subtraction fact. This also some of you had made a mistake. You have to write 2 subtraction fact for the addition given. Addition is given, for this you have to write the subtraction fact. Last year you have learned, and this year also you are learning, and still 2 fellows had sent the wrong answer, so I am teaching again. I told you first write the bigger number. So here there are 3 numbers: 27,184, 62,125, 89,309. So in these 3 numbers, which is the bigger number? Biggest number you have to write first, I told you. So here the bigger number is 89,309. So you have to write the bigger number first. So I am writing 89,309. Okay, you are writing the subtraction fact, so you have to write minus here. That was addition fact, so it is plus is given here. Now this is subtraction fact, so you will write the minus. Then in this remaining 2 numbers, any one you have to write. So let's write the first one here. Here 27,184. So 27,184. Again put the equal sign, and what is left, which number is left, you write after the equal sign. So the number which is left is 62,125. So after the equal sign, let's write 62,125. Okay, so you have to write 2 facts. So this is the first one and the second one. So second one also, for subtraction you have to write the bigger number first. So the bigger number is 89,309. So this will remain the same. Again subtraction fact, so write minus. So first you write 27,184. So now write the other number. So the other number is 62,125. 62,125. And after the equal sign, which you didn't write, that you write. So the number which is now without written is 27,184. 27,184. See, only these 3 numbers will come, only changing the order it will come. The first biggest number will come first, again other smaller numbers will just change the place before equal sign and after the equal sign. So don't make mistake again. I don't want you to see the mistake again. So the next one is addition and subtraction together. So when these 2 together comes, you have to do the addition first. You should not do the subtraction first. Always you have to do the addition first. This you will learn in higher class afterwards. The method is called, the rule is called BATMOS. So BATMOS is, B is for bracket, O is for off. This is called bracket, this is for off. Again this is called divide, this is called multiply, and this is called addition, and this is called subtraction. So this is the order you have to do. There will be in higher classes you will learn bracket and division, multiplication, everything together it will come. So first in that equation, first you have to finish the bracket, then you have to do the off. Off means it is multiply. Again next you will do the divide. Again multiply. This multiply will be given with the multiply, and this will be given with OF. Okay, again addition will be given, again subtraction. So the subtraction comes after addition. So after adding only you will do the subtraction. Okay, why I am explaining means you should not make a mistake. Sometime you may do the subtraction first, then you will add. So this is wrong. Okay, you will do the addition first and you have to do the subtraction second. Okay, since I have explained this one, this you will learn maybe after class 8, 7 or 8 only, but now itself I am telling, so don't make mistake, so that you will understand this without making mistake. For that one I have explained. So let's do this. So to do this, first you have to add this 2. Okay, so arrange the digits in order. Yesterday when I was checking the homework, I saw some of you did not arrange the digits properly. So arrange the digits in order. It should be in order, direct. Some are writing here and there. Okay, so first we have to do the addition. So let's add now. So 5 plus 2, 7. 5 plus 2, 7. 3 plus 8, 11. So in 11, in this 2 digit, the right side one you will write here, and the left side one you have to carry to the next digit. So this is tens digit, so the next place is hundreds place, so you will carry here. Again 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 6, 14. So in 14, the right side number 4 you will write here, and this 1 you will carry to the next digit here. Again make a easy one. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. So in 12, the right side number 2 you write here, and the left side 1 you will carry to the next digit here. Now 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 4, 6. Okay, so this is adding answer. So from this answer you have to minus this one. So let's write 62,417. So from here you have to minus 30,476. Write the digits in order, don't make mistake. Okay, now 7 minus 6, this is subtraction. So write minus here. Again 7 minus 6, 1. Again 1 is smaller, 7 is bigger, so according to the subtraction rule you have to minus from bigger number only. So this you cannot minus, so you will borrow. So from 4 if you borrow 1, 3 will remain here, and that 1 will become here 10. 10 plus 1, 11 it will be. So 11 minus 7, 4. Again now 3 and 4, 3 is smaller, so from small number you cannot minus, so you will borrow. So from 2 if you borrow 1 will remain, and that 1 will come here. So 13. 13 minus 4 you will get 9. Again 1 minus 0, 1. If you minus 0 from any number, the answer is the number itself, it is not 0. Okay, 1 minus 0, 1. Again 6 minus 3, 3. So this is the answer. Okay, this is the answer. You add, then you subtract. Okay, don't make a mistake.